That's crazy that it's still going. Where's it all coming from?
It's got that Bluetooth great stuff.
It's stuff, Bluetooth, great stuff. You don't even need to stick a bottle on it. It just keeps going.
That's a lot of orange poop.
I mean, look how much is still coming out of just the tube.
What's up?
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's insane. Nobody would believe this if we weren't filming it right now. I mean, that is just nuts. It's still coming out. And it's got a lot of pressure behind it still. Look at this stuff all over everything. I think it's still coming out. Like, how much pressure did that can have on it? All right,
Winter.
I'm stopping this because this I don't want to spend a week